It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, it is Miss Janita. How y'all doing? Yes, y'all looking at a bunch of clutter behind this. Well, it's my crafting therapeutic clutter back there. But anyway, I just had to make a video for my gardening channel because I've been missing in action and I didn't want to go so long without having some work, putting in some work on my gardening channel. So I just made a video for my crafting channel, and that's why y'all staring at a bunch of decorative, festive looking artwork in the background, because I was doing a video over on for my crafting channel. So I said, let me do something for my gardening channel. I did have this plant in the sink because I got a spa day. Y'all know where I do my spa day. And I was dusting this thing up. It got new leaves on it. You can see this is my rubber tree that I've had for years, and it struggles because of the poor light area I have it in. But it's been living for a while, and this is as big as it's gotten. I put a little food stick in it and it started doing something, but I'm going to have to change the soil, and I don't know, I have to change the, I don't know, it's surviving with that little low light, but it's not getting the nourishment and the attention that I need to be giving it so that it could have gotten bigger. Because you know, a rubber plant, they're gorgeous and the leaves are big and thick and healthy. Now look at my little tree. It's skimpy. You can, like, what they call that, skinny popcorn. This is a skinny rubber tree. It branched off down here at the bottom, but that's when I put that little food stick in, that little food spike right there, little green spike in there. I got a little decorative frog sitting up in there. But yeah, y'all, okay, like I said, I just made a video for my crafting channel. If you're interested in crafting, head on over to my craft, hit the link on this channel and go to the craft, and don't forget to subscribe. I also got a grocery channel. If you need the grocery shopping hauls, cooking and all that food, go to my grocery channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hype the video up. Thank you very much. And yeah, I'm sorry I've been missing in action. I hurt my back, I had burned my arm. Now I've been going through still some more physical challenges. I got a crook in my neck, going on and off with this flu/cold situation. I'm doing much better than I was before, but this crook in my neck and this back pain, it didn't slacked up. But shoot, if I make one wrong move, I can inflame my back all over again. So I got to take it easy. And I overexerted myself, took my breath away. I just got to slow down on everything. I haven't been active on my balcony as of yet. The weather is, I think it's gonna rain this week, so I gotta I'm still not on the balcony because I gotta not re-injure my back, you know. So I gotta take it easy, but I had to make a video and just talk to my gardening community for a while. Yeah, I'm on top of the stove because in the sink, I don't know, I was trying to get a great angle, but I couldn't because the dang rubber tree is a little tall. It's like about, with the pot included, I guess about 20 inches. You're looking up at the top of my stove, what I'm supposed to be painting. That was a project that did not get completed last year. I was supposed to paint. I got the new filter for the stove ventilation thing, but I haven't done anything. So that's why I'm saying that, because the camera might zoom up and you'll see worn stove vent top. Anyway, back to the plant. Yeah, I've been missing in action, and Some of you might think that I have deserted my dang garden world. Oh, heck to the no, no, no. I just haven't been over there making videos. I'm active still. I just got to put my glasses on. I struggle to see. I'm going to put my glasses on there. Everything done cleared up. This is a mess. But yeah, I said, let me come over here. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Yeah, I'm going to put those little clips on for shorts, you guys. But yeah, I said, let me come on over here and talk to the gardening community and let them know that I'm still involved in loving to garden and all that. I just been having a little few physical challenges. And once I injured my back, it's been where I have to take it easy, you know, extra pushing, pulling, shoving, bending over, lifting and all that heavy lifting. Or shoot, I have a dish pan in my sink. Even the dish pan, when they have dishwater in it, that's a challenge, because when I can feel a twinge in my back trying to lift that. So as you can see, the injury, whatever I did to my back, did some damage. So I gotta take it easy. Whatever I do, whatever I do on that balcony, I have to be sitting down. And what happened was, when I was out there sitting down once upon a time, when I was changing the dirt on the what was it, my garlic chives, which are growing since I refreshed the soil. But this would happen. I was telling my daughter, I think I was being almost attacked by some baby hummingbirds. The hummingbirds love to come over here and visit on my balcony garden. I seen an old white moth, the ones be laying them dang eggs in my dang plants and stuff. I sprayed that sucker with some pepper spray, and I don't think it been back since. But I know how to take care of that ass. Shoot, coming over here dropping them hazardous babies in my doggone plants, eating up my stuff. So yeah, there's some collard greens still out there growing, but they ain't got too big. And those collard greens, they be wanting me to put some water on them. It rained good, but we about to get some more rain right now. But I just said, let me come on over here and visit my gardening community. Let them know Miss Janita's still on the scene. I have my little challenges and my little struggles, but I said, I got to make it my business and come and let them know I'm doing okay. In my Saturday gardening collab and my Thursday collab, I'm going to be back on it strong. Come through. This all I had to do was just sit down somewhere, get a plant, and just talk to the community. Now, I know I have lost a lot of support, but hopefully I'm blessed and the support come back, and I do my part to bring the support back, because everybody wants support, and one way to do that is to go visit and say hello. And that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so that's what's going on, and I'm happy I came through to visit y'all, and hopefully I'll share another plant, or share some, just put the camera on something and sit down and talk about it and come through and visit. Hope all you guys are doing great. Hope your gardenings are growing. And I don't know, I got to get back in the rhythm of things. I try to stay active on all my channels, but I've been doing, I'll see. I'm here and I'm doing the best I can, and I'm going to keep on continue to do the best I can. Now on my crafting channel, I'm going to get off here on this garden channel. I think I did something for my grocery channel. I might make a little video for the grocery channel, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm over on my crafting channel. Y'all like my little crafting stuff. I made all this little stuff right here. Come on over there and subscribe if you're interested. If you want to see what I'm cooking or grocery shopping or hauling, all that stuff, go to my grocery channel. Click on the link. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also hit the notification bell. If you're not subscribed over here, do so. Okay, y'all. Now, I told y'all this was a rubber tree. It is needing, I'm giving it a spa day. I washed it down, but it needs some more attention. It needs a lot of attention, but for some reason it's still hanging in there. But I want it to be bushy, a bushy rubber tree. Y'all know, seen rubber trees, like rubber trees? Say so in the comment. Bye for now. Happy gardening. I'll see you on the next one.